if you're thinking of what sites to use when you are beginning your career, I highly recommend Backstage, and I highly recommend Actors Access. Now, some other ones that I have listed here, and again, these are only suggestions. Do your own research. This is very important. Don't go spending money on ones that you have not researched. Take a look at them. Google reviews of the sites, see if you can do a trial, see if you can, get any leverage from any of them. But there are countless resources for you to find auditions, and a lot of your success out of the gate is solely due to your own hustle. Looking every day on Actors Access, looking every day on Backstage, looking at any one of these sites, and submitting yourself in each and every ring of opportunity you can find, and getting those auditions, getting that audition experience. So every audition you go to, you have that foundation behind you that you're just building better and better work off of. So break a leg, everyone. I wish you such success on your own personal journey to becoming an actor, becoming a working actor. I believe in you. If you have any questions about any of these casting resources, go ahead and shoot me an email at jamie@actorplaybook.com.